Mr. Foodland. Bitter gourd sabzi is something unique and not everybody likes it, but I think you should give it a try this way. This is really healthy and quick to make. Use that microwave technique and it'll be easier for you to make the bitter gourd bunch of onion, and very simple, very easy recipe. So stay tuned for the ingredients. So this is the bitter gourd, which is Karela. Very bittery taste, but just cut it in half, cut both the ends and get all the inside seeds and all this white part out, just like this. And this is how, and then cut it thin, just like small half sizes and then thin slices. Okay, so I've added about 1 tablespoon of salt and just mix the salt well in this. By doing this, we are going to get the bittery taste and bittery water out of this bitter gourd. So basically just squeeze it like this, and in like 15-20 minutes you will just squeeze the water out of this, as salt is going to help the bitter gourd to get the bittery water out easily. So I wouldn't say it will not be bittery when you make the sabzi, but it will definitely be less bittery with this process. So just do this part, keep it for 15-20 minutes, and then I'll show you the next process. So after 15-20 minutes, I got this bitter gourd water squeezed with my hands, and I microwaved this for about 10 minutes with 2 minutes intervals. So this is how it looks. It's like totally dry, and let's move on to the next step now. So I have 2 chopped onions here, and I'm going to have salt, turmeric, and some red chili powder. That's it. And we will have some sugar in it, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and this chopped onion. Let's saute the onion for about 2 minutes. Let it cook thoroughly. Once you see the onion is cooked, add the bitter gourd cuts, mix that well, and now time to add turmeric powder, red chili powder. You can add green chili as well if you want, and some salt, because we have also added the salt beforehand, so just some salt to this. Give that a good mix. We're not going to add any water here because my bitter gourd is already cooked in microwave, and it's just time to mix these ingredients, and that's it for the sabzi here. I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes. Alright, so in about 5 to 7 minutes, as you can see, my sabzi is all cooked, it's all soft. And final step is just add some sugar, just 1 tablespoon sugar, just to kill that bitterness, if any. So my bitter gourd sabzi is ready, and just enjoy this with roti. Kitchen Foodland, and thank you for visiting my channel. If you like this recipe, please hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.